Thank you, everybody. Thank you for bringing me here, and thank you for be here with me today. I don't know where to start and how to tell about you. Many people, I know my friends here, they know about me. But definitely, I like to tell you, before I talk to you about my work, I like to tell you about a little bit about my background. The regional artist, cultural artist, Indian artist, then global artist. Always question I have. People ask me, okay, do you think you're Indian artist? Do you think you're Asian artist? Always I say that, very often, I'm just an artist. Of course, artists living in any part of the world, any corner of the world, they're going to influence with their own atmosphere, with their own people, with their own politics, with their own agenda, whatever comes. So do I. Live and work in Delhi for last 20 years, and I'm surrounded with my own people, own cultural, own day-to-day objects. And since I'm very influenced with the day-to-day life objects, you can see my work here. But as long as the visual art fit with the context of the language of the art, you can be anywhere. I can do what you like. I will not take you more time, but I will start with this work of control. I was making that bike, what you see behind side. And that bike is called, I given the title of because it's a coincide of the bullet, what you everybody know is about gun and boom. And this bullet is infield, is called bullet. So I given the title, what's the bike called, bullet. But same time, like you see the milk can, it's surrounded with that bike. It's a mechanized cow for me. Since I work with the cow and cow dung and many other previous my works. This is the mechanized cow who come and deliver the milk in the city, door to door people. Even in Delhi, most part of the India you will find them. While making that kind of work, you watch TV. You suddenly, NDTV India, news you listen the BBC news, you listen the CNN news, you listen the radio, you listen to some song, some reggae, whatever. Mind always get distracted. So what you focusing, what you working on, always your mind is moving. And you try to focus and concentrate something, but you get diverted all the time. I'm not political artist who make political art. But subconsciously, you will same time you can't ignore it. India, the part of the world, Delhi is a very political city where I live. Neighborhood Pakistan, what happening in the Afghanistan, what happening in the Gulf last 10 years, everybody knows. Subconsciously, even you wanted to escape, you can't. And few years ago, we have a big tension in between India and Pakistan. And both our politician was talking about, we're going to throw you nuclear bomb and kill 25 million people. Some of our defense ministers say, oh, we are the billion people. Only we will die 25 million people. Big deal. So that kind of talk, our politician was talking in our country from both the sides. Imagine what's happening to common people and what they're thinking. And that's how these works began and come to me in my mind. If any home get destroyed, if anybody get destroyed, the first thing you get affected with the kitchen. where you look for the food, and food depicts the life, and without food is depict to death. So that's why, since I work with the stainless steel utensil, I did my previous work. Here I selected the very old utensils, almost it disappearing, is no more you get anymore, but it still is available. And that's how I make this piece called line of, because line of control is not in the border only where you have to control in your mind and in the politics too. And that's it. If anybody,
do we have any questions at all? Subodh, did you maybe want to talk a little about the other thing?
because I left it totally other thing. Abstraction is very important for an artist. You try to make sometime figure, form, and while as an artist practice, while you're making something, sometime you don't know what you're making. And that's the beautiful moment too. All the time knowing, oh, I want to do this and I'm going to make this. But sometime you fiddle with the objects and material, like a drawing. Your pen moves in the papers, and not necessarily you're going to make portrait, animal, or whatever, but sometime pen moves and randomly go and create own form, and that form you love it because you made it yourself. Same thing is here in this particular work. I know what is this object is. It's tong. Tong in Hindi we call chimta. And we have I don't want to go there, but I like to share with you. We have one very old Hindi writer who is no more earth, for 19th century, one of the top Hindi writer, and his name is Prem Chand. And long time ago, he wrote one small short story, what we used to read in the school that time. It's called Hamid Ka Chimta. It's a Hamid tongs. And it's a very emotional story. We all, when we was in school, we read that. But I did not carry Premchand, I did not carry Hamid, but definitely I carry Hamid Ka Chimta. So here is the tong, and I make this form, very abstract form, and I call other things.